It's well known that most projects take a lot of time and effort, and usually you're like, oh, I want the project to end. You know what I'm curious about? You know what I want to know? Google, how do, let me make this bigger. I enjoy the process of hygiene is crazy. Of learning. There we go. Okay, let's see. Choose what you want to read on and never even think about there could be other ways. What? Create a habit. Oh nah. I'm definitely not reading this. Yo. Choose my weapons. Oh shit. I gotta get armed now. My whole fucking email on blast. I'm about to get scammed. Hold on. Well, hello. I'll now be doing this part, which will involve me creating the pieces to shit. We will not be saying ever again, just for the record. We'll be creating the pieces to attach onto the bottom of that thing. It's going to be great. Real great. Problem is, it's going to take time. Lots of time. So, this will more likely be a precursor video. Alright, I'm not about to show how to use CAD because that's hard. And also, we not about to do that. Because no. Anyway, you know what else I should do? I should write a script. And we'll call it Words to Say. Yeah. And insert video. But dang it, I said it again. Work in progress. Work in progress. Indeed.